Hello guys, and welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio tutorial. Now that we have created our wave animation and we have put it into this game, so now when I press the E key, I wave. Notice I wave with both arms, both hands, and the dummy did the same thing, waving with both hands. So what if I want to change this animation? I don't want to wave with both hands, I just want to wave with one hand. How would I do it? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to update an existing animation that we have already uploaded to Roblox. Here in my game, you can see I have a dummy. If you don't have a dummy in your game, you can go ahead and add a dummy to your game. Any game is fine. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the Avatar tab. We're going to open up the animation editor, select the dummy, and just click Create. To update an existing animation that you have already uploaded to Roblox, you're going to go and click on these three little dots here. You're going to select Import from Roblox. Now select the animation that you want to update. I'm going to update this wave animation. Click Submit. You can see that it has loaded the animation into the animation editor for me. And you can see at the last keyframe, the final keyframe here, I'm waving with my right upper arm. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and delete selected. So now it's gone. We're going to go ahead and click on the three dots here and publish to Roblox. I'm going to select overwrite an existing asset. Select the one that you want to update. In my case, it's going to be this wave animation. Click submit. Successfully submitted. You can go ahead and close everything. And now if you use that new updated animation in your game, you're going to see the new updated version. Let's now play and take a look. So we expect to wave with one hand only as opposed to waving with both hands. I'm going to wave first. I'm going to press E. I wave with one hand and the dummy waved with one hand. Let's see it again. One hand, one hand. Guys, that's how you update an existing animation in Roblox. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you again soon. Take care, everyone.